Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruit salad with milk. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll want about 4 cups of fresh, ripe fruit like strawberries, blueberries, and sliced bananas. Also, have 1 cup of your favorite milk ready, whether it's dairy or a plant-based option. A little honey or maple syrup can add a lovely touch of sweetness, if you like. Make sure everything is fresh and ready to go for the best flavor. Now that you have your ingredients, it's time to prepare the fruit. Start by thoroughly washing all your fresh produce under cool, running water. For fruits like apples, pears, or melons, you'll want to peel and core them before cutting. Then, carefully cut all your fruits into uniform, bite-sized pieces. This makes the salad easier to eat and ensures every spoonful is delicious. Pat them dry if they are too wet. With your fruit all prepped, it's time to combine everything. Carefully place all the bite-sized fruit into a large mixing bowl. Next, pour your 1 cup of milk directly over the fruit. Using a spatula or large spoon, gently fold the ingredients together until the fruit is evenly coated. If you're adding honey or maple syrup, now is the time to drizzle in 1 to 2 tablespoons and mix it in thoroughly. Be gentle to avoid mashing the fruit. Your delicious fruit salad with milk is almost ready. Once everything is mixed, cover the bowl and place it in the refrigerator. Let it chill for at least 30 minutes. This allows all the wonderful flavors to meld together perfectly. When you're ready to serve, give it a quick, gentle stir. You can enjoy it as a refreshing snack or a light dessert. For an extra touch, garnish with a sprig of fresh mint. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.